name is Harshali and my name is Neha. Happy morning paper bag day. Every year on the 12th of July, the world celebrates World Paper Bag Day. The day is observed to raise awareness about the use of paper bags and discard plastic bags. Paper bags are eco-friendly and biodegradable. They are reusable, recyclable and renewable. Paper Bag Day gives us an opportunity to switch to paper bags immediately to benefit both ourselves and the world. Paper bags are lightweight and comfort. They are handy to use. Paper bags are environmentally sustainable since they decompose quickly. Paper bags decay in 1 month or less, while plastic takes over 100 years to decompose. They have no negative impact on biodiversity. Protect the atmosphere from contamination and start using paper bags. Be fantastic. Use paper bags as a plastic alternative. Plastic bags create pollution. Paper bags is the only solution. The only thing people have created is the paper bag. Say no to the plastic bag. Plastic bags must be avoided to all costs. Say yes to the paper bags. With paper bags, the planet shines like a diamond all over the place. All is better if you go green with paper bags. Easy to use and safe for Mother Earth. Mother Earth would reward you if you use paper bags. Say